What's up, guys? So we're at Domo right now. Rob's getting some ice. He just said it's ridiculous that I didn't pull up to the pump so we could get ice that way without having to walk all the way over there from over here. But I insist that parking in front of a gas pump when you're not getting gas is kind of rude. I don't know how you feel about that. But anyways, we're going to Clayton's right now. We're gonna put some tires, wheels on this thing. We're gonna do some shit horse stuff. The thing you're probably more interested in is the shit horse stuff. We're gonna pull apart the pistons, get the wrist pins out that we're gonna need. Huh? It's gonna be good.
What's gonna be good?
This video.
Is it?
It is. Fancy
race car. And this is what we call the liquor mart.
Yeah, because we live in Canada and we can only get liquor from this one store that's government owned.
Yeah. Yeah, kind of sucks. It's not like the United States where you can buy liquor at like a 7-Eleven and stuff. Here, we can only get liquor at the, oh, look at this guy.
EcoBoost ripping it.
He's ripping the EcoBoost. So maybe he'll do a donut or something? No. He's just showing you what time it is, Mike. Well, we're here at Clayton's, and I don't know what he's doing, probably in the bathroom or something. Or just taking a nap, maybe. So, yeah. Guess we're gonna start doing something.
Pulling the truck in next as soon as the other vehicle gets out of the way. The certified race vehicle outside.
What are you wearing there, Clayton? You look like a fucking monkey fucking scratching there. Woo hoo 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 ha ha.
We haven't talked about sketchy jack in a while, but this is Clayton's little special jack with the bent handle, so you push down and then it goes like that and you punch the floor.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna lift this heavy truck with this little jack. Usually when I lift the front with it, you can see it teeter even, so.
I think it'll be, that's a quick pump. Two
That's
pumps,
the one
two
thing
pumps
it
you'll
has
beat
going.
the diff, and then 3 more pumps after that.
Yeah, that's the good thing about that jack.
The only good thing, and really who wants something that only takes 2 pumps?
Yeah. Okay, guys, try not to get too excited, but we're getting a tire on here. Maybe.
Right. Is this going to be the thumbnail, Mike?
Lift with your balls.
There you go. Don't put your legs under the tire, just in case.
With our
That
non-existent
jack,
jack
let's go.
stands. And Clayton's best jack ever.
Oh, that actually helps.
After I shit talk it a bunch.
Sure like to use it.
It'll fall on your leg.
And this garbage stinks also.
Maybe that's why they call it garbage.
That's the garbage Clayton takes to the dump once a week,
I never
apparently.
went to the
But look at all this garbage. Look.
Yeah, I'm a week late. It's cold in here, nothing.
And it stinks,
raw.
and it
No,
stinks.
it doesn't.
What? Does it stink, Mike?
After sitting down there for a couple seconds, yeah.
Okay, well, it doesn't reek.
No.
Smells like
average garbage.
Like stinky garbage. He took that wheel off and put the new wheel on that we mounted last week.
Show him the side view here.
I am showing him the side view,
And then show him the other side view.
and then
That's the important part.
we actually took the center cap off the old school style wheels, and they fit on these ones, but they're a little loose. Yeah, so I don't know. They probably will fall off, so we'd have to do something. And then what he did is he took this wheel off right here, and he put it on the front here. And so now it has this kind of wheel on this side, and this kind of wheel on this side.
He's two-faced.
Yeah,
Something I thought about doing,
Johnny Two-Face.
but probably wouldn't do on purpose, but in the way these tires and wheels worked out, here we are. At least for a little bit.
And this tire's going flat already for some reason.
Yeah, the used tire, guys, super ripped. Might be the wheel though, because I didn't really clean the bead at all.
Could be, or it's the valve stem. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna load up the 6-liter, which is here, and we're gonna put it in the back seat of Mike's truck. We figure because it's drier in there, and we're gonna take the 6-liter over to my place because that's where the engine assembly will be. Because you know that's where Bendy is. So kind of perfect. It's right there. Just push it fast, and it'll just shoot off.
Take out his brand new rocker.
My new rockers. Yeah. Look at that, guys. This is like a mod. Old body style truck owners right here.
Is there a 2x4? Is there room for a 2x4 under there?
Perfect for a rear engine truck.
Yeah, or a 4x4.
All right, guys. We just needed a little extra hand there to lift a bit and pull it, and now it's in there.
It's kind of fell into place.
So we just got to take that back thing off, and then it's in there, and it's on its way to RFG.
This is the way that you should load it if you were taking the truck and the engine to the scrapyard. Other than that, probably not. Right?
Yeah, we melted it out of there, remember?
What?
We welded it. When
Really?
we welded it and stuff, it melted out of there.
Yeah, I didn't like that, but...
But what were we going to do?
Just another build feature.
was a result of
we were trying to get the
shortening
extra oil
the
pressure.
pickup.
Yeah, no, that's what it really was.
Yeah, it got hot and it like disintegrated.
This block is done. So we're gonna take some parts off it for the 6-liter build. We gotta get this balancer off, even though it's junk, we're not gonna use it again. We gotta get it off, unfortunately, to get the cam out, because sloppy stage 2 is still in there. We're gonna take everything off here, the pickup, the windage tray, get the pistons out, get the wrist pins off those, and get to building our 6-liter.
Let's get to it.
Okay.
Is it? I think it looks good though. Right?
Brand new, yeah.
Got the first bearing off here. You can see a little milky, but in good shape. Piston's about to pop out. Take a look at that. Looks like a piston.
It's like a stock 5.3 piston.
Everything looks good. Oh, I can't see it now. There's nothing to see there. Could wipe it off.
Is that all it is?
I think that's just this. Must be just that goop on there.
The assembly lube still.
Well, no, like this milky, watery oil.
That's yours?
So we got all the pistons out of here, and rods, pistons and rods. And they're over here now. So now we're gonna take out the wrist pins, which are in there.
No, we're not.
Yeah, why not?
What for? We'll just take it all the miles and do it there.
We're gonna box these up, take them to Rob's, get the wrist pins out of here, which you can see are in mint shape. That one just has a mark on it. But still good, and we're gonna use these with the new 6-liter pistons and these rods. Put in the 6-liter. All right, so I know you guys really like Clayton's impact gun.
This is the gun that everybody made fun of me. Get a real impact gun. Blah, blah. This one's good.
The crank pulley usually gives it some trouble, but
oh, wow, this thing's torquey.
Wow, it actually just came out like that?
That is torquey. It's the power of this gun. No, I already had it loose.
Yeah, there you go. But the gun did it. I just didn't have the camera going, so.
Yeah, I don't think
that's a dramatic.
That's probably because it wasn't
reenactment.
actually torqued to the
I don't think we
200
tightened it
foot
last
pounds
time.
that they.
Yeah, we didn't tighten it when we put it here last time.
Do you like my steering wheel and just pull this off?
It's
Just
incredible
grab it,
how.
with your teeth.
We got our 3-jaw puller here. We're gonna try to pull the balancer off, but the threads are no good in there. So this thing's gonna have to stay on for now, which is no big deal because we don't need any of this shit really. We kind of need to get it out of there, but we do that another day. Rob just ordered a better balancer.
He's got a thing that we might be able to sort of.
We might be okay then, guys.
I'm still gonna order that. Yeah, see, this is good still. The threads aren't screwed on this. It just, here's all the threads that should be in this hole.
Yeah, it ripped them out of there. The good thing about the shit horse build and all these junkyard shitter engines like this is it doesn't really matter if we explode them. We're not that butthurt about it.
It didn't explode anything though. You're always saying it exploded.
I always say explode. We got the pistons here in a box ready to go.
It was still running fine.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of oil, like water in the oil.
We were discussing like what kind of stuff we're gonna get for it. I think we're gonna get stock
Replacement
head bolts. Yes.
Or not.
Or
We're
not.
gonna just use different ones.
Rob has some that have only been used once.
They say after you use them once, they're stronger
We've
anyways.
cheaped out on this motor long enough. We're starting to.
We're back with the 6-liter.
I know, but what I'm saying is that guy that tested them said that after they're used once, they're actually stronger the second time around.
This is always a thing with the shit horse. Do we spend a little bit extra or do we go with the cheapest cheap shit? Because it's split 5 ways.
We bought Pistons, they were $300 already.
That's not that much though.
Huh?
Divided by 5.
Well, yeah, I know, but they still cost. But they were $170 American, and by the time we got them here, they're $285.
Oh.
And this is my shoe right here. Mike's apparently looking at.
Parts coming in hot.
Just pistons and head gaskets.
We're gonna be getting on this build real soon.
And rings.
And rings. LS9 head gaskets.
Can we get a new ring filer stone for your ring filer?
Should have said something. Why? I mean, unless we can get one locally.
Yeah, we have to because yours is fucked.
It's good.
No, it's.
Takes a few revolutions.
You have no feeling left in your fingers after doing one side.
New anyways. That's how
You were saying the 6-liter build is gonna be my responsibility? You're not co-signing this
Well,
one?
if you want it, I mean, I'll be there anyway to hang out. Or
That's what
you want to do it.
That's what you were saying the other day. That's what you were saying.
Then yeah.
Post down in the comments, guys.
Should Mike build this?
Yeah. Do you want me to?
More on the cap side, eh? Like you can.
Yeah, a little bit.
Something
And it's
went
not
through
wore
there.
down to the copper though.
No, but some shit went through there.
Must have been, yeah.
These bearings are looking a little crappy for our uses, even with the shit horse.
No,
These were new.
I wouldn't
It's
say
a
it's
that.
not
master
it's
build.
not that bad. It's just
Some shit went in there. It's not worn down to the copper, like it's not. super
Hasn't seen that
it's
many
not
miles
super
though
gouged.
either.
Yeah, but it only takes.
Was that the only one that looked like that?
It only takes 2 seconds of. Yeah, I think so. It only takes 2 seconds of running if there's some dirt in there or some shit got in there.
So as you guys are watching this video, something crazy might be happening. Like, holy shit crazy for a lot of you guys that have been waiting for it. But right now, Saturday morning, afternoon, the Sonic thing might be
Mike.
on a flat deck into this spot right here.
Unless it's too hot.
Yeah, but you know what? It's in the video now.
It's been in the video 3 times.
As long as we can get a flat deck.
Flat deck.
Flat deck tow truck to get the car here tomorrow, I don't think it'll be an issue.
Did you get that BMX out of the front seat yet?
No, I have to get up tomorrow and get the BMX out of that. That'll be tomorrow's video.
All right,
So.
was that the excuse?
Yeah.
Empty out the shed.
I did. I cleaned up in there. There's all kinds of excuses, guys, but hopefully tomorrow.
BMX here so that we can get that running for you too.
First, maybe.
Just needs
Put a new wheel on it. Or
BMX build.
Yeah.
Post down in the comments. We got any Adam LZ fans in here?
Would you like to
BMX.
see a BMX build?
Yeah.
Anyone got a Norco Spitfire Turbo? I'm looking for one. Speaking of BMXs, old school bike I had back in the day.
I thought we'd end up this video with some back road boots. There's some snow drifts, but apparently they have plowed all these streets. So that's kind of a bust. But anyway, you can hear the LS parts tinging around in the back. We're gonna drop that stuff off, and then tomorrow the Sonic Stang stuff, hopefully. So that video will be coming up tomorrow, which is Sunday for you guys. That's about it. So check you later.
Check you later.
Later.
Does this have an interior light or?
No, the